Hi everyone, my name is Ananda Yuli Rahmawati. Today I will retell a story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. A little farmhouse in the forest. Now what would it look like? There's a little house, let's pretend. Now we have a pretty little house in the forest for the three bears inside. The house there were there three chairs, a big chair for the papa bear, a middle size for the mama bear, and the little chair for the baby bear. In the bedroom, there were three beds, a big bed for papa bear, and a middle size for the mama bear, and the little bed for baby bear. The little baby bear decided to play with his toys until breakfast was ready that morning. Mama bear has cooking porridge for breakfast and she had set it out on the table in the three bowl and a little bowl for the baby bear. She found it was too hot to eat, so Papa bear decided they should all go for a walk in the forest while they were waiting for porridge to cool. In the same morning, Goldilocks had walked farther into the woods than she had ever gone before. She had always known that bears live in the forest, and now she had found their house. But she now is brought to Polly to knock on the door. There was no answer, but the door was opened. So Goldilocks tiptoed in. It was so exciting that she probably forgot that she has not been invited. She saw the chair and Goldilocks was tired for her long walk. She sat in the big chair, but it was too hard. The middle-sized chair was too soft, and she said little chair it was just right until she broke the chair. Goldilocks was hungry from her long walk, so she decided to eat. She tasted the porridge, but it was too hot. In the middle-sized bowl, it was too cool, and the little bowl was just right. She saw the bedroom, but it was too hard. It was also too high. She tried lying down on the middle-sized bed, too soft like her cozy bed at home, and the little bed was just right. Meanwhile, out in the forest, baby bear was up in a tree playing at hide, and Papa bear was playing too. Goldilocks was still sound asleep when bears came back home. The bears knew that someone had been there. Someone was been sitting my child. Someone was been sitting my child. Someone was been sitting my child, and it is broken. Someone was been sleeping my bed. Someone was been sleeping my bed. Someone was been sleeping my bed, and here she is. Goldilocks saw the papa and mama bear. She was so surprised that she jumped out window and ran all the way home.